Hi stylists! Okay, today's quick tip is about sampling. I want everyone to be super honest with themselves. If you have a great fall display and you haven't really booked any trunk shows and you didn't earn the style fix, maybe don't get a whole lot is my tip. We want you to be profitable, or at the very least break even. My goal when I started was to break even. There is nothing wrong with that. But I just really want people to understand the difference between sort of a business and a hobby. A business makes money. A hobby you typically spend money on and enjoy. They're both fantastic, but just come into salon not knowing exactly what you're doing and you know, have your sampling align with that. I really recommend maximizing the Style Fix coupons. It makes a huge difference, and they're available, they're manageable to get, so track it and go for it. And if you missed the last one, no worries, but think about how you're going to earn it this fall, because it's going to make a huge difference when the new line comes out. And if you're in a situation where you don't want to invest a whole lot of money in samples, you're not maybe, you know, you have a great fall line or whatnot, remember, the iPad and Dottie is an excellent sales tool. Our catalog is an excellent sales tool. So don't feel like you have to get a ton of new things. I really want people to be honest with themselves. Now, there are people that have earned, you know, if you are a star and above, you have a chance of earning $1,000 in free product. I bought a whole lot of the holiday line for free this morning. So, you know, there's a lot of reasons why it makes sense to try to earn those Style Fix coupons. All right, that's my one tip of the day. I hope you are having a great day, and we'll talk tomorrow.